Hello everyone, let's provide a solution given this exponential equation, which is 4 to the power x minus 2 is supposed to give us a value of 100. Now 4 to the power x minus 2, this is actually in the form of 8 to the power n subtract m, which we can express as 8 to the power n divided by 8 to the power m. Okay, applying this property, we'll have 4 to the power x divided by 4 to the power 2. This is equal to 100. Now this 100 is a whole number, so it's over 1. Okay, so let's cross multiply here. We'll have 4 to the power x. This is equal to 4 to the power 2 multiplied by 100. To solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides as follows. We'll have log 4 to the power x. This is equal to log 4 to the power 2 multiplied by 100. Okay, now log 4 to the power x, this is actually in the form of log a to the power n, which we can express as n log a. Now applying this power rule property, log 4 to the power x becomes x log 4. This is equal to log 4 squared multiplied by 100. So we divide both sides by log 4, divide both the other side by log 4. So let's simplify. Simplifying here, we'll have x is equal to log 4 to the power 2 multiplied by 100 divided by log 4. So we can be able to express 100. 100 can be expressed as 25 multiplied by 4. 25 times 4. Okay, we can express further 25 as 5 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 2, which is actually 4. So substituting this, we'll have log. Now 4 to the power 2, this is the same thing as 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 squared multiplied by 2 squared divided by log 4, which is actually 2 to the power 2. Now log 2 to the power 2 multiplying by 2 multiplying by 5 squared, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Now applying this particular property, we'll have x is equal to log 2 to the power 4 divided by log 2 to the power 2 plus this is log 5 to the power 2 divided by log 2 to the power 2 plus log 2 to the power 2 divided by log 2 to the power 2. Okay, so let's proceed. You find that log 2 to the power 4, applying the power rule property, this becomes 4 log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 2, which is 2 log 2, plus log 5 to the power 2, which is the same thing as 2 log 5, divided by 2 log 2, plus log 2 to the power 2 is the same thing as 2 log 2, divided by 2 log 2. Okay, so let's proceed to simplify this. Let's simplify here, simplifying log 2 and this 2. So x is equal to 2 plus this is log 5 divided by log 2 plus, now here we simplify, this is 1. So that means that the value of x is equal to 2 plus 1, which is basically 3, plus log 5 divided by log 2. This is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base. This is log a to base b. Now let's apply this. So we'll have log 5 to base 2. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. Okay. Now if you recall, we end that 4 to the power x subtract 2, this should give us a value of 100. Okay. So 4 to the power x minus 2, we say this is in the form of a raised to the power n minus m, which you can express as 8 to the power n divided by 8 to the power m. So we'll have 4 to the power x divided by 4 squared. This should give us a value of 100. So substituting the value of x, we'll have 4 to power 3 plus log 5 to base 2 divided by 4 squared, which is 16. This should give us a value of 100. Okay, so let's proceed. Now we have that 4 to power 3 plus log 5 to base 2. This is in the form of 8 to power n plus m, which we can express as 8 to power n multiplied by 8 to power m. Let's apply this identity. So we'll have 4 cubed multiplied by 4 to power log 5 to base 2 divided by 16. This should give us a value of 100. Okay. Now from what we have here, we can express 4 basically as 2 to power 2. Okay, so here we'll have 4 cubed. 4 cubed is the same thing as 4 times 4 times 4. So this is basically equal to 64. So we have 64 multiplied by, now this is 2 to power 2 log 5 to base 2 divided by 16. This should give us a value of 100. Now, as you can see, 2 to power 2 log 5 to base 2, we can also express this as 2 to power log 5 squared to base 2. This is the power, okay? So now, 2 raised to power log 5 squared to base 2, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which is essentially equal to a. Now, applying this particular property, 2 raised to power log 5 squared to base 2, this is basically equal to 5 squared, which is 25. So let's substitute this. We'll have 64 multiplied by 25 divided by 16. This should give us a value of 100. Now, if you simplify here, by 16 1, by 16 4. So it's 4 times 25, which is 100, So that means that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, okay? And that means that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, and that affirms that the value of x, which is basically 3 plus log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly like this video and subscribe.